cracked NET in December 2018 in English literature. So first of all, I want to say thanks to ASCENT. Rather than defining it as a coaching center, I want to say it as a home, because it helped me to get rid of my fear of preparing NET paper 1, and it also helped me in getting a confidence in solving all the papers that seem to be difficult in paper 1. The one thing that I want to say that every time I lost NET by 1 or 2 marks, I actually realized that it was paper 1 that wanted more coaching, and because paper 2 I was almost able to crack every time, but paper 1 I was not confident. So if you want you have only 1 hour and 50 marks, and the stress level and your confidence level also determines the way that you get your marks. So I realized that I wanted something that is fruitful in getting NET, that in Calicut. So I searched for Calicut centers that really mattered of getting NET, and I came to ASCENT by my friend. She was also from the same coaching center, and she cracked NET the very last time. So then I came to understand that ASCENT was something different from the others, because the cost is just 2,000 for us for 6 classes, and the way when I reached the home, I can say it is a home. I understand that they considered us their children by giving us the tea, and thereby first of all, Anish sir was the one that helped us to crack the NET, because he actually had a focus of how to work on the 6 classes. So rather than going on and elaborating every point, he made it as a capsule, like the way you want data interpretation, and every time I skip data interpretation in NET, because I thought that data interpretation was something that I cannot make out of it. So Anish sir said that data interpretation is the very step that you want to, if you want to crack NET, if you solve the 5 questions, and thereby you will get about 10 marks, and that determines the very point of your NET. So I realized that if you want to crack something, you want to move out of your comfort zone. So my comfort zone was not to crack data interpretation. So I went out of my comfort zone. So every day I used to do the data, and maths was something very annoying, and I was not able to do something. But Anish sir said that this is the way that you are able to get rid of your fear. And when I started doing the data interpretation, I found that it is something that you can get the correct answer rather than moving to the wrong answer. So it is the only 5 questions that you can get the right answer, and Anish sir helped us. And for the rest of the questions, while we compare, we have data, we have reasoning, we have communication, we have research, and we have teaching aptitude. So in every questions you have 4 options, and you may have the point of confusing with the 2 questions. So getting into the right answer is something that you wanted to get from a coaching center. So Anish sir helped us to go to get the right answer, thereby creating a way that we can set our mind to get the right answer for research aptitude, for teaching, for communication, for data interpretation, for reasoning, mathematical. He helped us to gain confidence to stick on to the right answer than moving on around the bush going to the wrong answer. So in one word, I can say that ASCENT is a home, and it will really help you out to get rid of your fear of cracking NET, especially in paper 1, and also it will also help you to gain a confidence in cracking any exams, because it is a systematic way through which you can attempt or crack any exam. Thank you.